Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have root 45 plus root 18 plus root 9 all over root 45 minus root 18 plus root 9. What is the value of this question? Now to do this, solution. So we have root 45 plus root 18 plus root 9 all over root 45 minus root 18 plus root 9. Now simplifying this, root 45 can be written as root 9 times root 5. 9 times 5 is 45. Then plus we can write root 18 as root 9 times root 2. Then we have plus root 9. So plus root 9 all divided by root 45 can be written as root 9 times root 5. Then minus root 18 can be written as root 9 times root 2 plus we have root 9. Okay, so from here we have this is then equal to, now looking at the numerator, we have a common factor which is root 9 and root 9. So factorize out root 9, we have root 9 into brackets. If we factorize out root 9 from root 9 times root 5, we are left with root 5, then plus. If we factorize out root 9 from root 9 times root 2, we are left with root 2 plus. If we factorize out root 9 from root 9, we are left with 1, okay? All divided by, now same thing here also, we also have a common factor which is root 9, and root 9. So factorize out root 9 into bracket. Factorizing out root 9 from root 9 times root 5, we are left with root 5, then minus. Factorize out root 9 from root 9 times root 2, we are left with root 2 plus. Factorize out root 9 from root 9, we have 1. So from here, this is then equal to this, we divide this, we are left with root 5 plus root 2 plus 1, all divided by root 5 minus root 2 plus 1. To then simplify this further, this equals move plus 1 to meet root 5. This becomes root 5 plus 1. Then we are left with plus root 2, all divided by, also move plus 1 to meet root 5. This becomes root 5, then plus 1 minus root 2. Now, from here, we are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of this. Now, the conjugate of this is simply root 5 plus 1 plus root 2. Okay, so multiplying this with the numerator and the denominator, this is then equal to root 5 plus 1. Then we have plus root 2 all over root 5 plus 1, then minus root 2. So multiplied by, we have root 5 plus 1, then we have plus root 2 all over, we have root 5 plus 1 plus root 2. So with this is then equal to, now multiplying the numerator, looking at it, we have the same form. So this is then equal to, in bracket, root 5 plus 1, then plus root 2 all squared, right? Then divided by, this is simply in the form of, if you have a minus b multiplied by a plus b, this is equal to a squared minus b squared. Okay, the denominator is in this form, so that means that we have it as, in brackets, okay, root 5 plus 1, then all squared, minus, in brackets, root 2 all squared. Okay, good. So with this, from here, this is equal to, now looking at the numerator right here, this is in the form of, in brackets, a plus b all squared. And if you have a plus b all squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So therefore, simplifying this to resemble this format, what we have is this, that we have, in brackets, root 5 plus 1 all squared. Since a is root 5 plus 1, this is a, and root 2 is b. So plus 2 times a is root 5 plus 1, then multiplied by b is root 2 plus b is root 2, so root 2 then all squared. So all of this, right, is then divided by the denominator. Also, the denominator, in which we have root 5 plus 1 all squared, is in the form of a plus b all squared. And if you have a plus b all squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab. So in this case, the value of a is root 5, the value of b is 1. So following this form, this then becomes a squared, that will become root 5 all squared, then plus 2 times a is root 5, so root 5 times b is 1, then plus b squared, b is 1, so 1 all squared, then minus, from here, square will cancel square root, we are left with 2, okay, good. So from here, okay, looking at this also, root 5 plus 1 all squared is also in this form, a plus b all squared, shows that expanding it, the value of a is root 5, the value of b is 1. So this then becomes a is root 5, so in bracket, root 5 all squared plus 2 times a is root 5, right, times b is 1, then plus b squared, b is 1, so 1 all squared, then plus, now 2 times root 2, we open this bracket, 2 times root 2 times root 5 is simply 2 times root 2 times 5, okay, then plus 2 times root 2 times 1 is simply 2 root 2, so the next one is this, plus square, we cancel square root, what we have is 2. So all of this is divided by square, we cancel square root, we have 5 plus 2 times root 5 times 1 is simply 2 root 5 plus 1 squared is 1, then minus 2, okay? So from here, we have this is simply equal to square, we cancel square root, we have 5 plus 2 times root 5 times 1 is 2 root 5 plus 1 squared is 1 plus right here, okay, 2 times root 2 times 5 is simply 2 root 10 plus 2 root 2, 2 root 2 plus 2. So all of this is divided by 5 plus 1 is 6 minus 2. That will give us 4 plus 2 root 5. 2 root 5. Okay. Now simplifying the numerator, we have 5 plus 1, which is 6. 6 plus 2 will give us 8. So writing down 8 right here, 8, then plus the next one that we have right there is 2 root 5 plus 2 root 10 plus 2 root 2. So right here we have plus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 10 plus 2 root 2. This is divided by the denominator, which is right here. The value is equal to 4 plus 2 root 5. So we have this. We have 4 plus 2 root 5. Now simplifying this further, we can factorize out 2 from the denominator. So factorizing out 2, we have this equals 2 into bracket. Factorize out 2 from 8, we have 4 plus factorize out 2 from 2 root 5, we have root 5 plus factorize out 2 from 2 root 10, we have root 10 plus factorize out 2 from 2 root 2, we have root 2, okay, all divided by, here also factorize out 2, so 2 into bracket, factorizing out 2 from 4, we have 2 plus factorize out 2 from 2 root 5, we have root 5, okay. Now from here, this is equal to 2, we divide this 2, we have 4 plus root 5 plus root 10 plus root 2, all divided by 2 plus root 5. So this is then equal to 4 plus root 5 plus root 10 plus root 2 all over. Let us then rearrange the denominator. So this becomes root 5 plus 2. Now, at this junction, the next thing we're going to do is to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of this, which is simply root 5 minus 2. So this is the conjugate form of root 5 plus 2. So multiply this value with the numerator and also the denominator, shows that this is then equal to 4 plus root 5 plus root 10, then plus root 2 multiplied by root 5 minus 2. Okay, then same thing also for the denominator. We have root 5 plus 2 multiplied by we have root 5 minus 2. Good. Now with this, root 5 we multiply 4. This will equal 4 root 5. Root 5 multiply root 5. Root 5 times root 5 is simply root 25, and root 25 is equal to 5. Then plus root 10 will multiply 5. Root 10 times 5 times root 5 is simply root 50. 10 times 5 is 50. Then plus root 5 multiply root 2. Root 2 times root 5 is simply root 10. So writing down root 10. Then same thing here also, minus 2 multiply 4. Minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. Minus 2 times plus root 5 is minus 2 root 5. Minus 2 times plus root 10 is minus 2 root 10. Okay, then minus 2 times plus 2, that will give us minus 2 root 2. So all of this is being divided by, now if you multiply this will give us in brackets root 5 all squared minus 2 squared. Okay, so then simplifying this further, that this is simply equal to 4 root 5 plus 5. Then we have plus root 50 plus root 10 minus 8. So right here, plus root 50 plus root 10 minus 8. And also we have this right here, that we have minus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 10 minus 2 root 2. So writing this down here, that we have minus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 10, and also we have minus 2 root 2. So all of this is being divided by the denominator, which has a value of root 5 all squared minus 2 squared. So right here we have this in brackets root 5 all squared minus 2 squared. So then let us then simplify this. So this is then equal to, now looking at this, we have 4 root 5 minus 2 root 5. This will give us a value equals 2 root 5. Okay, now plus 5 minus 8, that will give us minus 3. Okay, then plus root 50 can be written as root 25 times root 2. Okay, then we have plus 10 right here. Plus 10 minus 2 root 10, that will give us minus root 10. Then we also have minus 2 root 2. So writing down minus 2 root 2. Then all of this is being divided by this. So square will cancel square root. We have 5 minus 2 squared is 4. So then simplifying this further, this is then equal to 2 root 5 minus 3 plus root 25 will give us a value of 5, then times root 2. Then we have minus root 10 minus 2 root 2 divided by 5 minus 4 is 1. So from here, this is then equal to, we have 2 root 5, then minus 3 Okay, so from here we have plus 5 root 2 and minus 2 root 2. This will give us a value equals plus 3 root 2. Okay, then we have minus root 10. So from here, simplifying this further, let us then rearrange this such that this becomes 2 root 5 minus root 10 plus 3 root 2 minus 3. So from here, we can express this 2. 2 can be written as root 2 times root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is equal to root 4. The value of root 4 is 2. So in place of 2, we can bring in this. So this then equals, we have root 2 times root 2. Then we also have times root 5. Then minus root 10 plus 3 root 2. So 3 root 2, then minus 3. So from here, simplifying this further, this equals, we have root 2 times root 5. This will give us a value of root 10. Then we have root 10, okay, plus 3 root 2, then minus 3. So from here, if we were to factorize out root 10 from here, factorizing out root 10, this equals root 10 into bracket. If we factorize out root 10 from root 2 times root 10, we are left with root 2, then minus. Factorize out root 10 from root 10, we have 1. Then plus, same thing here also, factorize out 3 from here, we have 3 into bracket root 2 minus 1. So this is then equal to, looking at this, we have a common factor, which is root 2 minus 1 and root 2 minus 1. So pick 1, that will become root 2 minus 1. Then we also have the ones outside the bracket, which is root 10 and plus 3. Also put that in one bracket. So root 10 plus 3. So with this is the final answer, the simplest form to which you can simplify this question. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.